Good day, everyone. Over the years, I have found out that why students find it difficult when it comes to mathematics is because that they don't have good foundation in mathematics. These are operations like divisions, multiplication, addition, subtraction, square, that is power and root. They are very, very important. Most times we overlook them, but they are the key points that we need in order to move forward in mathematics. Most students that are finding mathematics difficult today is as a result of not having adequate foundation when they were coming up. So today I want to treat a particular topic that I know you may be thinking that is what a small topic, but it's not actually a small topic, because when we start solving it, you notice that it is the really cause of you having problem in mathematics, because you find it difficult to divide without using calculator. So some students, they find it difficult. They find it difficult to do multiplication without calculator, to do addition, to do subtraction, to do division. We are going to be taking them one after the other. That thing you think that it is very small, you will know that that has been your problem why you are finding mathematics difficult. So follow me. Let me show you the easy way of solving divisions so that you will know the secret behind division without using calculator. Let's go. All right, today's topic, we are going to treat what? Division. We are going to treat division. All right, so sometimes students say, it is ordinary division. It is not ordinary division. Division is what? Division. You do division when you are in nursery school, primary school, secondary, college, university, polytechnic. You keep on doing division till the day you will die. Even during your burial, they will still do what? Do division. So division is very, very important. All right, let me give you an analysis of division. We have um, A being divided by what? B. When you have something like this, it means that B is the one dividing what? A. B is the one dividing what? A. If you want to put it in form of fraction, you are going to write A first, then you now write what? B, like this. So this one is dividing this. Some people, I have encountered that, some students, when you say A divided by B, A divided by B, especially when you put it in words, the person will write something like this. Can you see it? All right, it is not like that. When you have division put in form of words, what you are going to be paying attention is the word by. Can you see it? The word by. The number after by must be what? The denominator. The number after by must be what? Denominator. If you hear divided by C, automatically C is what? The denominator. If you hear divided by, you have M, divided by M, like this, automatically M is what? The denominator. So if I say 28 is divided by 6, divided by 6, that means that 6 will be what? Denominator. All right, so that brings me to what I'm about to discuss today. This is the denominator. The one we have down here, that is the denominator. And the one we have up here, we call it what? Numerator. Is a numerator like this. Why this one? We call it a denominator. Can you see it? Denominator. Can you see? The one we have down here. Then we have this one. That means denominator is dividing what? The numerator. And denominator is the one you have immediately after by. 26 divided by 7. A squared divided by k squared by k squared. That means k squared should be what? The denominator. And so on and there, so forth. All right, let's have some examples so that you see how we are going to do that and you find out your small mistakes. All right, we have example 1. Example 1 says solve this. All right, let's start with our number A. Example 1 says solve 48 divided by what? 4. 48 divided by 4. That means that 4 is dividing what? 48. So we are going to have it like this. We have 48 over what? 4. Can you see that? All right, so you notice that 4 can divide itself. You have 1. When 4 divides 4, it will give us 1. Dividing this, you have 12. That means the answer to this will be what? 12. Very simple. All right, let's go to number B. We have B like this. We have 1206 divided by what? 2. That means 1206 is being divided by what? 2. So we have 1206 all over what? 2 like this. All right, so 2 will divide. When 2 divides itself, 1. Now, the first digit we have here is 1. You ask yourself, this first digit, is it up to 2? If it's not up to 2, you merge it to the next one following it. But if it's up to 2, you start your division from there. When it's up to denominator, you start your division there. But if it's not up to denominator, merge it with the next one. You shake again. These two digits combined together, are they now up to the denominators? If they are now up to the denominator, you start from there. If they are not up to, carry the two of them, put in front of the third one, merge 3 of them, shake again until they are up to what? The denominator. That's when you will start your division. So now, when 2 divides itself, it will give us 1. Dividing 1 cannot go. Carry it and put here. You have not started. You are about to start. Carry it and put in front of 2. It will become what? 12. So when 2 divides 12, it will give us what? 6. Note here, once you start dividing, you will start picking the digits one after the other, one after the other. All right, it is not what can be divided, you divide. No, you start picking what one after the other. Like here now, I have started, I've divided this one, I have 6. So now, you notice that 2 cannot divide 0, but 2 can divide 6. Some students, what they do is that they will say 2 cannot divide, they will just go straight and divide this one. They will write like this. They will not tell you that the answer is what? 63. And this is what? Wrong. And this is why you are having problem in what? Mathematics. Then what happens to the 0? That is why you are having problem in what? Mathematics. So once you start dividing, you'll be picking these digits one after the other. So once you divide this, you have 6. You divide 0. Can you see it? You divide 0. It cannot work. Anyone that cannot work, you put 0 in front before you push it over to the next one. So if I divide this 0, it cannot go. I'll put 0, not this particular 0. I'm putting 0 because this cannot work. Why is it that it cannot work? Because it is smaller than the denominator. Once it's smaller than the denominator, I'll write 0 first, carry that in, put in front of next number. So now, 0 is smaller than 2. I will say that it's 0, not this particular 0, but the 0 that shows that it is smaller than this. Then I'll carry 0 and put in front of next number, making it what? 06. And 06 is equivalent to what? 6. Then 2 will now divide, have 1. Dividing this, I will have 3 like this. Can you see that? So that is why the answer to this will give me what? 603 and not 63 like some people will solve. 600 and what? 3 and not what? 63. So it's like this one. We have like this. All right, next one we have is number C. Number C is this one. We have 8004 divided by what? 4 like this. Can you see it? All right. Similar thing to number B. We have 8004 divided by 4. When 4 divides itself 1, dividing 8, it will give us what? 2. Some people will just jump and divide this. They'll say 1. They will tell you that the answer is what? 21. Answer is not 21. Can you see that? So if you do like this, that means you are wrong. Once you divide 8, you have this. Next digit following it is what you are going to divide. When 4 divides 0, it cannot go because 0 is smaller than what? 4. You put 0, not this 0. But the 0 you are putting is because that this one is smaller than this. Then carry the 0 and put in front of next number, making it what? 00. When 4 divides 00, it cannot go. You put 0 again. Carry the 200, put in front of 4. It becomes 004. 004 means what? 4. Then when 4 divides itself 1, dividing this, you have what? 1. Can you see that? All right. So that means that this will give us what? It will give us 2001 and not what? 21. Can you see that? That is how it is done. All right. Next one we have is number D. We have number D like this. This number D is 906 divided by what? 3. That is like this. 906 being divided by what? 3. Can you see it? All right. 3 can divide itself 1. Dividing 9, it will give us what? 3. It will divide 0, not 6. Divide this 0, you cannot divide 0. So you put 0, carry this 0, put in front of next number, which is what? 6. You have 0, 6, which is 6. When 3 divides 6, you now have 2. That is why you are going to have 302. But some people will just divide 9, they will have 3. They will rush and divide 6, they will have 2. They will say, look at it here. I've encountered a problem like this. Many of my students, they did division like this, which I scolded them. I told them that it shouldn't be like this. They should not ignore the presence of 0. It should be like this and not this. So you have to find out where you're having issue, division. What is giving you problem when it comes to division? You may say it's not ordinary division, but that's one of the reasons you're having issue in mathematics. All right. I believe that you enjoyed the way I just solved it. Remember, this is Engineer Kenneth tutorial. Subscribe to this channel, follow my YouTube, follow my Facebook page, share this video so that it will get to the good students that need to acquire this knowledge. Once again, thanks for watching this video. Bye.